Alrighty, welcome back. So, in our previous video, we unboxed the old Switch 2, not the old, but rather
the new
Switch 2 Mario Kart Bundle Edition. So we got it all set up here so you could kind of see it. And in this video's focus is going to be on
the case,
the accessories. So we got the Nintendo Switch 2 carrying case and screen protector. And we got the Switch Joy-Con. And then just a biogenic screen protector. It's the glass, tempered glass one. Well, we won't necessarily review this one, but we'll just do this one really quick. So it's good. It's got more hardness to it. Ultra thin design. This one's a 2-pack. It was sold as a blue light filter. Not exactly sure if that's true or not. But anyways, feels good. We'll install it after, but just FYI, worthwhile getting.
And just to let you know, the boxes feel good.
The boxes feel good. Okay, so which one do you want to do first? You want to do the controllers or you want to do the Switch case? You want to do a Switch case? Okay, let's move this one out over
here. Can I open it this time?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to try not to make a disaster.
Okay, while you're opening that one, I'm going to open this one because I got to work on the tape.
It's hard. Okay, while we're doing the tape thing, let's just talk about how exciting.
While we're doing the tape thing, you have time to like and subscribe.
See how fast you can do it.
Yeah. Just let us know in the comments if you like unboxing videos, or we could do more.
Or ASMR videos.
Or ASMRs, yeah.
We're just doing that.
We can feel the tape in the boxes, all you guys want.
Yeah.
We're totally fine with that.
Just comment down below if you want us to do it more.
As long as you don't mind us laughing afterwards.
Yeah. We might laugh a lot. Okay, so I just finished taking off the tape. So
let's see, looking on this one.
Okay, while my dad does that, I'm going to be opening this one.
Alright, this one's all set, ready for its opening afterwards. So what you got in there?
Oh my god. Not very good.
From the bottom, very bold, very, very risky decision.
Okay.
Never open the cereal box by the bottom.
It will. No, because there's a plastic bag. You.
Silly, right?
Okay, so let's take it
it's all...
out.
Here, let me help you.
Okay, so...
If you like our sound effects,
comment down below.
Leave some likes and comments.
If you don't,
here's
don't
the screen
do anything.
protector. So, as we mentioned before, we have the glass ones, but this one comes with one, so we also have a spare for later on.
I don't know if that one's like blue. I don't know how to say it.
Blue filter? Blue light filter.
Okay, so now let's open
It's probably not. It's just kind of a plastic.
Okay. So look at this box. It's like black. I don't think you can see. Don't do it too hard. Anyways, so there's like
it's a nice material. Yeah, you can take that off.
Oh,
nice. Matches the color of the Switch 2. Very cool.
Controllers. And the colors, if you don't have just the Nintendo Switch, they actually kind of changed the kind of red and the kind of blue. Right? They did.
Yeah, it's different than the original Switch. That's for sure.
Colors.
Oh, it's got the old Nintendo seal of approval, the official.
Can I open it? Oh, yes.
Oh, go ahead.
Okay, so let's open it up. There's nothing inside. Okay, so like there's nothing inside yet, but here's like the spots where you put the cartridges, I think.
Yeah, for the cartridges. Right now we only have digital downloads, so we don't have any.
I don't think they really sell
there's not that many full
Right
games
now,
right now, but
because-
so basically it's going to be slot for Switch games at the moment. Got some stuff for some cables. It's
I
nice.
think the cartridges
Solid.
might be bigger because, yeah.
Could be. We'll see. We'll
Yeah.
see when we get one.
Okay.
Nice and soft case. So yeah, that was it for this one.
And
Comment if you got the same one. What are your thoughts on it? Let us know.
and comment below if you agree with me that they changed the color.
Yeah, slightly different, but same idea.
I
They're
guess.
like paler. So next up is the
Joy-Con.
Joy-Cons. So we got the Joy-Cons. We're gonna open them up here. They come with the Switch. Here, I'll let you grab one. Come with the Switch. So if you missed that
Video.
in our previous video, we kind of went through it and reviewed them. Had some little chat and discussion, but this is what comes in the box for just the Joy-Con kit. So we have
Take this out.
both sides. You have
The red.
these. Snap on there.
They're different than the other ones, actually. These ones are magnetic. If you didn't hear in the other one, you should go check that video out once again. And so you go just like
Put them on, and it's set up for like mouse
I
mode.
didn't. Boom.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so that's it.
And yeah.
That was pretty much it. So if you got some new ones, or you like the new controllers, or you like carrying case, or you have commentary about it, or let us know which favorite color of the controller you have.
You guys
Leave some
can
comments
you guys
and some
can
likes.
ask us where we got it, but we're gonna say we got it from the mall. And yeah.
So don't forget to like and
And
subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.